Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. Today I have brought one more interesting lesson for you. Let us learn our new lesson. So, irregular plural nouns. One more lesson about irregular plural nouns. So, let us see here. If I write a word, for example, THESIS, thesis. The word thesis, if I write, how can we make it plural? So, in today's session, we are going to learn this lesson. So, thesis. So, we have to learn what we have to learn. We have to learn first, we have to check word, what are the two last letters of the word by replacing IS, and we have to add ES, we have to add to make it plural. So, let us learn here with the help of some examples. Thesis, thesis, theses, thesis, theses. If I write, for example, analysis, so this one is one, and the second one is, if I write, for example, a word analysis, A-N-A, analysis. Analysis, if I write, so what is the plural of analysis? So we can write analysis, A-N-A-L-Y, last analysis, L-S, after S we have I and S. IS will be replaced by ES. So it will become analyses, analysis, analyses, analysis, analyses. Suppose if I write one more word, for example, if I write paralysis, paralysis, if I write paralysis, paralysis, if I write, so what is the plural form of that one? You can notice that IS will be replaced by ES. Next one, if I write, for example, neurosis, N-E-U-R-O-S-I-S. Again, you can notice IS, last two letters is IS, so we have to write N-E-U-R-O, neuro, and S, after S, both the letters will be replaced by ES. तो हमको यहाँ पर क्या करना होगा, IS को हटाकर IS की जगह पर हमें ES लिखना होगा प्लूरल बनाने के लिए. बहुत ही आसान है, बहुत ही सिंपल लेसन है. न्यूरोसिस, न्यूरोसीज, न्यूरोसिस, न्यूरोसीज. Neurosis is singular, neuroses plural. If I write, for example, one more, what I can say, example, hypothesis, 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 if I write, same thing, hypothesis. What are the two last letters? IS is, so it will become, hypothesis will become hypotheses. S, after S, what we have to do, ES will be added. So here hypothesis. If I write, for example, next one, if I write, for example, crisis, C-R-I-S-I-S is crisis. Crisis, if I write, again same thing. Last two letters are, what are the last two letters? आखिरी के दो letters क्या हैं? I और S है. तो उसको हमको change करना है तो क्या करना होगा? प्लूरल बनाना हो तो क्या करना होगा? C-R-I-S, आफ्टर S, I-S, ये I-S को निकाल कर हमें E-S लिखना होगा. So crisis. Crisis will become crises. Crisis is singular, crises plural. Let me give you one more example. For example, if I write axis, A-X-I-S, axis, axis, if I write axis, so axis, so A-X, after X, what we have to do, E-I-S will be replaced by E-S. So axis will become axes. Crisis will become crises. Singular crisis, plural crises. Axis, singular, axes, plural. If I write, for example, let me give you one more example, diagnosis, diagnosis. If I write diagnosis, diagnosis also contains D-I-A-G-N-O-S-I-S, diagnosis. Diagnosis, if I write, so what is the plural of diagnosis? Diagnosis is spelling D-I-A-G-N-O-S-I-S. Diagnosis is there. So last two letters, same thing. आखिरी के 2 लेटर हमें देखना होगा, IS है तो हमें उसे प्लूरल बनाने के लिए बहुत सिंपल तरीका क्या है, ES ऐड करना होगा। अगर कोई नॉन सिंगुलर नॉन IS पे ख़त्म होता हो तो उसे प्लूरल बनाने के लिए IS को हटाकर हमें ES लिखना होता है और इस तरह से हम प्लूरल बनाते हैं। तो यहाँ डायग्नोसिस को हम क्या करेंगे, व्हाट इज़ द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ डायग्नोसिस? डायग्नोसिस विल बिकम डायग्नोसिस। INS will be replaced by ES. So it will become diagnosis. Diagnosis will become diagnoses. Diagnoses. Axes. Crises. So last one more example. If I write oasis, if I write, so what is the plural form of oasis? Oasis will become oases. So you can notice that easily, you can understand that IS, theses. Analysis, IS will be replaced by ES. Analysis. Paralysis is 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 there, then plural form ES. Paralyses. Neuroses. Hypotheses. Crises. Axes. Diagnoses. Oases. So these are the few examples which I have taken for us to learn this lesson, and I have written over on the board. So it is very simple. IS will be replaced by ES. Both the letters IS are replaced by ES. Let us learn one more rule here. What is the rule? So for example, if I write ALGA, alga, if I write the word alga, how to make it plural? Very simple rule here. What is the rule? What is the simple rule? Alga will become algae. Alga will become algae. So you can notice here A, last letter is A, and we have to add, what we have to do? We have to write AE. Last we have to write AE. In place of A we have to write AE. Last is AE. So you can notice here, यहाँ पे लास्ट लेटर A है तो A को हमको क्या करना होगा, A के बाद जो है E लगाना होगा. Alga will become algae. Algae or algae. Algae also you can say, algae also you can say. Algae or algae. So let us learn here some more examples. For example, if I write formula, FORMULA, formula is here. So last letter is, what is the last letter? Last letter is A. You can notice last letter is A. So very simple. What we have to do? Formulae, FORMU, after L, A and E will be added. So here both the letters A and E both are added. So it will become formula will become formulae. Formula will become formulae. So here singular is formula and plural is formulae. If I write one more example, for example, if I say larva, LARVA, larva. Again you can notice that larva, last letter is A. Very simple to make plural. Larva will become LARVAE. Larvae. Larva will become larvae. Larva will become larvae. Okay. For example, if I write one more example, Vita, VITA, Vita. So what is the plural form? VITAE, Vitae. Vita will become vitae. Next one, if I write for example, vertebra, VERTEBRA, vertebra will become vertebrae. Vertebra, last letter is, what is the last letter? आखिरी लेटर क्या है? आखिरी फाइनल लेटर A है, तो A इसको हमको किस तरह प्लूरल बनाना है? vertebrae, VERT, after T, BRAE, AE will be added. Vertebra will become vertebrae. You can notice here AE will be added here. So A, singular, vertebra, plural, vertebrae. If I write, for example, one more example I can give you, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more example is antenna, Antenna, antenna. So antenna, last letter, what is the last letter? A. आखिरी लेटर क्या है? A है. तो हमको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए क्या करना होगा? बहुत आसान है. ANTENNAE, antennae. Antenna singular, antennae plural. Similarly, we have many words are there. So I have written few examples over here. So singular noun, if a singular noun ends in A, then how to make plural? We have to replace A and we have to write ANE. Just we have to write ANE, to make it plural. Alga, algae, we can pronounce it algae and we can also pronounce it algae. हम इसे algae भी पढ़ सकते हैं, algae भी पढ़ सकते हैं. Alga, algae. Formula, formulae. Larva, larvae. Vita, vitae. Vertebra, vertebrae. Antenna, antennae. So these few examples which I have written here to learn this our lesson, irregular plural nouns. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a great day. Enjoy learning.